to go. The UPS guy broke the door handle on our screen door, so I'm going to go find a replacement. So it's off to Lowe's I go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. I hope. It's windy out there. Wow. Anyway, my stops are all done. Nina went with her girlfriend somewhere, so I went to get her rice, and I went to Lowe's and I got the door latch. It's not an exact match. I got to drill a hole. Oh geez. And had a woman that waited on me at Lowe's in the door latch area, and she had a more handy than thou attitude. Yeah. Okay, woman. All right. It's modern day. All right. See you a bit later. Bye.